Walk into any Subaru dealership today, and you're entering a minefield of unnecessary services and overpriced repairs. I've been working on Subarus for over 15 years, and I've seen the tricks dealerships use to separate you from your hard-earned money. Some of these scams are so new that even experienced Subaru owners are falling for them. Last week, a customer came to me after spending $2,400 at the dealer for services his Outback didn't even need. That's not maintenance, that's highway robbery. Today, I'm exposing the most common dealership scams targeting Subaru owners right now. I'll show you how to spot them, avoid them, and save thousands on unnecessary repairs. This isn't about bashing all dealerships. Many do honest work, but you need to know how to protect yourself from the bad actors. Stick around, because knowing these scams could save you more money than any other video you'll watch this year. Let's dive in. Scam number 1, the lifetime CVT fluid change. Here's the newest scam hitting Subaru owners hard. Dealerships are now claiming that CVT fluid changes void your warranty. They'll tell you the fluid is lifetime and never needs changing. This is complete nonsense, and it's costing people their transmissions. Here's what's really happening. Subaru labels their CVT fluid as lifetime for marketing reasons. But lifetime means the warranty period, not the actual life of the vehicle. Dealerships love this because when your CVT fails at 80,000 miles, they sell you a $4,500 replacement. I've seen dozens of CVTs fail between 60,000 and 100,000 miles because the fluid was never changed. The metal particles and heat cycling break down the fluid, causing slipping, shuddering, and eventual failure. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. Change your CVT fluid every 30,000 miles. Use only genuine Subaru CVT fluid or Idemitsu equivalent. Do a simple drain and fill, not a flush. This service costs $150 to $200, but saves you thousands in transmission replacement. When a dealer tells you CVT fluid never needs changing, walk away. They're either lying or incompetent, and neither is good for your wallet. Scam number 2, the $800 walnut blasting upsell. Direct injection engines get carbon buildup on intake valves. This is a real issue that eventually needs addressing, but dealerships are now pushing $600 to $800 walnut blasting services on vehicles that don't need it yet. They'll show you scary photos of carbon-covered valves and tell you it needs immediate attention. Here's how to know if you actually need this service. Your engine misfires or runs rough at idle. You've lost noticeable power. Your fuel economy has dropped significantly. You're getting P0300 series misfire codes. If your Subaru runs fine, you probably don't need walnut blasting yet. Most engines don't require this service until 80,000 to 120,000 miles. And when you do need it, shop around. Independent shops often charge $300 to $400 for the same service. Also, there are preventive measures that work just as well. Use top-tier gasoline with better detergents. Add fuel system cleaner every 5,000 miles. Drive the car hard occasionally to burn off deposits. Don't let a dealer scare you into expensive carbon cleaning unless you're actually experiencing symptoms. Scam number 3, the special Subaru tools markup. Dealerships love to claim that Subaru repairs require special tools that only they have. This justifies charging 2 to 3 times what an independent shop would charge. Here are the most common special tool scams. Spark plug replacement. We need special Subaru spark plug tools. Reality. Any decent socket set can change Subaru spark plugs. Oil changes. We use special Subaru drain plug tools. Reality. It's a standard 17mm drain plug just like most cars. Timing belt. This requires factory Subaru timing tools. Reality. Any competent shop has the tools needed for timing belt work. Brake service. Subaru brake systems need special bleeding equipment. Reality. Standard brake bleeding procedures work fine. The only truly special tools are for things like CVT service, airbag work, or some electrical diagnostics. For routine maintenance, any qualified shop can work on your Subaru. Don't pay dealer rates for basic services that any mechanic can perform. Scam number 4. The transmission flush trap. This one's particularly sneaky because it sounds like good maintenance. Dealers will recommend a full transmission flush on high-mileage Subarus. They'll claim it's necessary to remove all the old contaminated fluid. Here's why this is often a scam. Transmission flushes can dislodge debris that then clogs valves and passages. High-pressure flushing can damage seals and gaskets. If your transmission has been running well, a flush can actually cause problems. For CVTs, aggressive flushing is especially dangerous. The high pressure can damage the belt or pulley surfaces. Instead of a flush, ask for a simple drain and fill. This removes about 40% of the old fluid, which is plenty for maintenance. It's gentler on the transmission and much less likely to cause problems. If a dealer insists on a flush, especially on a high-mileage vehicle, be very suspicious. They might be setting you up for expensive transmission work down the road. Scam number 5. The synthetic oil upgrade racket dealerships are pushing expensive synthetic oil on every Subaru, even those that don't require it. They'll claim your warranty requires their premium synthetic blend. Here's what's really going on. Most modern Subarus do require full synthetic oil, but you don't need to buy it from the dealer at $80 to $100 per change. The exact same oil is available at auto parts stores for half the price. Subaru Zero W20 is just rebranded Idemitsu oil. You can buy the exact same Idemitsu oil for much less. Also, dealers often try to sell you on 3,000-mile oil changes. Modern synthetic oil easily lasts 4,000 to 5,000 miles in most Subarus. Don't let them scare you into more frequent changes than necessary. And here's a big red flag. If they try to sell you special Subaru additives, these are usually overpriced bottles of generic oil treatment. Your oil doesn't need additives if you're using quality synthetic oil. Scam number 6. The head gasket fear campaign. This scam targets owners of 2006 to 2011 Subarus with EJ25 engines. These engines are known for head gasket issues, and dealers exploit this fear. They'll tell you that head gaskets need preventive replacement at 100,000 miles, or they'll claim that a small coolant leak means immediate head gasket failure. Here's the reality. Not all EJ25 engines develop head gasket problems. Many go 200,000 plus miles without issues. Small external leaks don't always mean head gasket replacement. Sometimes it's just a hose, radiator, or water pump. When head gaskets do fail, you have options. External leaks can often be sealed temporarily with stop leak products. Internal leaks, coolant and oil, need immediate attention. Shop around for quotes. Dealer prices are usually 50 to 100% higher than independent shops. Don't let fear-mongering rush you into expensive repairs. Get a second opinion if someone claims you need emergency head gasket work. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Scam number 7. The computer update cash grab. Here's a relatively new scam that's becoming more common. Dealers claim your Subaru needs expensive computer updates or reflashing. They'll say it's for performance optimization or fuel economy improvement. Most of these updates are unnecessary or available for free. Here's what you need to know. Actual recalls, or TSBS, technical service bulletins, are free. If Subaru issued a software update for your VIN, it shouldn't cost you anything. Performance tuning updates are usually not recommended for daily drivers. They can void your warranty and cause long-term reliability issues. If a dealer wants to charge for computer updates, ask for the TSB or recall number. If they can't provide it, you probably don't need the update. Also, be wary of aftermarket tuning shops that promise huge power gains. Most Subaru engines are well tuned from the factory. Aggressive tuning often reduces engine life and causes expensive problems. Scam number 8. The nitrogen tire fill. Scam. This one preys on people who don't understand tire maintenance. Dealers will offer to fill your tires with nitrogen instead of regular air. They'll claim it prevents pressure loss, improves fuel economy, and extends tire life. The cost? Usually $50 to $100 for something that provides minimal benefit. Here's the science. Regular air is already 78% nitrogen. The difference between air and pure nitrogen is negligible for passenger cars. Proper tire pressure matters more than what gas is inside. You can achieve the same benefits by checking your tire pressure monthly. Professional race teams use nitrogen because they need consistent pressure in extreme conditions. Your daily driver doesn't need this level of precision. Save your money and just maintain proper air pressure. Check it monthly and keep it at the PSI listed on your door jamb. Scam number 9. The extended warranty bait and switch. When buying a new or used Subaru, dealers push extended warranties hard. They'll tell you Subaru repairs are expensive and you need protection. But these warranties are often loaded with exclusions and restrictions. Here's what they don't tell you. Most extended warranties have huge deductibles, $500 to $1,000 per claim. They often exclude wear items like brakes, tires, and clutches. Many require you to use dealer service departments at inflated prices. The warranty company will fight every claim to minimize payouts. Subaru's reliability means you're unlikely to need expensive repairs during the coverage period. Instead of buying an extended warranty, put that money in a savings account. Earn interest on it instead of paying for coverage you probably won't use. If something major does break, you'll have the cash to fix it without dealing with warranty hassles. Scam number 10. The Subaru Specialist Premium. Some dealers charge extra because they claim to be Subaru specialists. They'll say their technicians have special training that justifies higher prices. While Subaru-specific knowledge is valuable, don't pay excessive premiums for it. Here's the truth. Basic maintenance is the same on all cars. Oil changes, tire rotations, and brake service don't require special expertise. Any ASE certified technician can work on your Subaru competently. Subaru-specific training is mainly valuable for complex repairs and diagnostics. For routine maintenance, shop around and compare prices. A good independent shop with Subaru experience often provides better value than dealers. Look for shops that specialize in Asian imports or have ASE master technicians. They'll have the knowledge and tools needed without the dealer markup. How to protect yourself. Here's how to avoid these scams and get honest service for your Subaru. First, educate yourself about your car's actual maintenance needs. Read your owner's manual and understand the real service interval. Get multiple quotes for expensive repairs. If one estimate is dramatically higher than others, be suspicious. Ask for detailed explanations of what's wrong and why it needs fixing. An honest shop will gladly explain the problem and show you the failed part. Build a relationship with a trusted independent mechanic. They depend on repeat customers and referral, so they're incentivized to be honest. Join online Subaru forums and communities. Other owners can share their experiences and recommend honest shops. Don't be rushed into immediate repairs unless it's a genuine safety issue. Most problems can wait a few days while you get second opinion. Keep detailed maintenance records. This helps you spot patterns and avoid unnecessary duplicate services. When dealers are worth it. I don't want to bash all dealerships unfairly. There are times when dealer service makes sense. Warranty work obviously needs to be done at a dealer. Complex electrical problems often require factory diagnostic tools. Recalls and TSB work should be free at dealers. Some specialized procedures genuinely need dealer expertise. But for routine maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake service, you have options. Don't let anyone convince you that only dealers can touch your Subaru. A good independent shop can maintain your car just as well for less money. Your Subaru is a reliable vehicle that doesn't need excessive maintenance or repair. Don't let unscrupulous dealers take advantage of you with unnecessary services and inflated prices. Arm yourself with knowledge, shop around for services, and trust your instinct. If something sounds too expensive or too urgent, get a second opinion. Your wallet will thank you, and your Subaru will run just as well with honest, reasonably priced maintenance. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.